Hi, so we're here at 19 Millstone Place in Endmoor. This is a nearly new home built by Stories on a very popular residential estate. Big substantial 5-bed detached house. We'll go in and take a look, but before we do so, this is your street scene. So you're looking out onto a big open green. It's bin day, so sorry about the bins being out. You've got a big double, probably 3 cars actually on this block drive, and there is an EV point as an electric vehicle charger, and obviously access there to the double garage. So let's go in and take a look. It's a very spacious house, all been repainted, freshly redecorated, ready for rental. And we come into a very generous hallway, stairs leading to the first floor. We have an office on the ground floor here, looking out to the front of the property. So you've got a nice view as you sit doing your work. And then we walk through. We have a pedestrian access door that goes into the garage. And here we have the ground floor cloakroom, nicely tiled out. All the ground floor is tiled, other than when you get into the living room. There's a really handy double storage cupboard there. And then we've got this sensational kitchen, beautifully appointed, nice solid stone surfaces. We have a big set of bifolds leading out to the patio area, which has all been landscaped. Nice tiled floor, grey graphite or anthracite style cabinets in a shaker style. And in the central island, we have a central inset stainless steel sink and drainer. We've got a boiling hot water tap there, so no need for a kettle in here. You've got a wine cooler, and then in the range against the wall, we've got 2 electric ovens. We have an induction hob, big overhead extractor. There's a built-in fridge freezer, a really nicely appointed kitchen, lots of space for storage. And then in the utility area off the kitchen, another sink and drainer. There's a washing machine in the under counter space, and more cabinets. Oh, and there's a little pedestrian door then leading out to the side of the property. So there we go, one more long look at the kitchen, fabulous social space. And we can walk then into the living room. So the house has been recarpeted, it's all been freshly painted, as I said, brand new curtains, really is well appointed. And we've got this big living room with a lovely big feature electric fire and space for a large flat screen television. You've got French doors, which leads out to that rear patio, which I'll show you once we're done upstairs. So good sized living room, plenty of space for 3-piece suite. And television, furniture, etc. Let's take a look upstairs. So we come upstairs, we've got 5 bedrooms to see in total. What we'll do, we'll just go, I think to begin with, we'll just do it in order. We'll come round here to this room to the left, double bedroom. Nice pair of windows letting lots of natural light in on a nicer day, except this December grey day. There's your view out over the green. So that's your first bedroom. Family bathroom, walk-in shower cubicle, panel bath, vanity sink in a unit, and with a low-level WC. All tiled, all elevations and floors. Make our way into second bedroom, a double once more, and this one has a nice view looking out over to the rear of the property, so you can see the garden and off to the hills beyond. And the third bedroom that I'll show you is a single, still a good size single. If you really needed to, you would fit a double bed in there, but probably best used as a single bedroom. Walking along the landing, that cupboard there is just further storage. And we come into the 2 bedrooms which are en suite. So a double bedroom here, once again looking out to the rear. And this one has a nice en suite, fully tiled, floor and elevations, shower cubicle, vanity wash hand basin and WC. And then we go into probably the larger of the two bedrooms. You would say this was the master. Double, looking out to the front of the property and with its own ensuite. So that's our internal accommodation. Let's go and check out the garden. So our quickest way to the garden is through the bifold doors leading from the kitchen. They sweep all the way back, which would really bring the outside in, and a lovely social space. We've got a fantastic patio which has been laid here by the owners. The patio extending right along the back of the house. You can see there we've got side access. There is a garage. Sorry, that's the door going into the little utility room that I showed you earlier. And then we've got this big lawn. The garden is secure, so we've got a fence going all the way around. You can hear the screams of a few of the junior school children who are out of their playtime at the moment. So for those of you with families, there is a local school. And then we come down into a split level of the patio, looking back there into the French doors to the living room, and you do have a side access there from the front driveway. And we've got this, now it's all covered up at the moment, we are in winter, but we have a very, very, very large swim tub, which if you want comes as part of the deal. The landlord pays for a service contract on this where it's maintained every 2 weeks. It's a fantastic addition if you want that, to add that to your lifestyle. So very, very large swim tub which could form part of the lease if you so chose. But it's a superb social space out the back here, great garden, wonderful family home. On the very, very popular story development, Endmoor, which sits just a 5-minute drive outside of Kendal, and great access for the M6 and beyond into the national park. That's a beautiful, beautiful home now available. If it's something you'd like to come and view, please do get in touch with Hunters.